When you think of longest and largest storm, you remember Hurricane John, which lasted for 31 days. If you want a video on Hurricane John, then comment below. Now I am going to tell you about a storm. Hurricane John was nothing compared to this storm. This storm is running over 350 years. If you want this type of unique video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. This storm is Jupiter Great Red Spot. Jupiter Great Red Spot was first observed in 1831 by amateur astronomer Samuel Henry. So we know the storm has existed for at least 150 years, but it could be even older than that. Some astronomers speculated that back in 1665, when an astronomer Giant Cassini wrote about a permanent storm, he was referring to the Great Red Spot. That makes the storm over 350 years old. Jupiter Great Red Spot is a gigantic storm that is about twice as wide as Earth, circling the planet in its southern hemisphere. At the center, winds are relatively calm, but on its edges, wind speed can reach 270 to 425 miles per hour. That is more than twice the speed of even the strongest hurricane on Earth, which can generate wind speed up to 175 miles per hour. The storm contained by an eastward-moving band on its north and westward-moving band to its south. The swirling band are also what created the storm in the first place and have kept the storm spinning for more than a century. The Great Red Spot longevity is partially explained by the fact that Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface. Jupiter's sky is 70 km deep and consists of cloud layer made of ammonia ice, ammonium hydrosulfide, and vapor. Scientists believe that beneath this layer exists an ocean of liquid hydrogen, and beneath that ocean is the planet core. But scientists are not sure yet what Jupiter is made of. On Earth, hurricanes start to slow and break apart when they reach solid land. But with nowhere for the Great Red Spot to make landfall, the storm can rage on and on. The Great Red Spot might actually be breaking apart. Since scientists started regularly observing the storms since 1850, they have noticed that storm is occasionally shrinking and grows, but is currently on shrinking trend. What once 3 times the size of Earth now only stretches twice of our planet diameter. As the storm contracts, it also grows taller and changes color, becoming more intense orange. Scientists are not sure yet why this is happening, but it could be due to the chemical reaction as new material is brought up from below. As of April 2017, the storm measured 10,159 miles wide. That is about third the size observed noted in 18th century. Professor Orton told that the storm could continue to shrink for the next 10 to 20 years and may even completely disappear. Please make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.